PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 9th day of July. James Spann here this afternoon. A classic case of midsummer weather in Alabama. Let's talk about it. Skycam shots, and why not? Let's start with Gulf Shores. Looking east from the top of the Phoenix All Suites down in the direction of the new Gulf Shores State Park Pier. And you can see the sky there mostly sunny on this summer afternoon. The Tuscaloosa Skycam zoomed into the University of Alabama campus. You can see the top of Reese Pfeiffer Hall and off in the distance Denny Chimes. And that's seen all the way from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. And down in Clanton, the sky mostly cloudy there. Got a few showers and thunderstorms around central Alabama. There's a look at the big picture today. And really, this time of the year, you kind of look for the heat ridge. Where is it? Is it expanding? Is it shrinking? You can see that the core of that thing is over Texas and New Mexico, Oklahoma, where triple-digit heat is likely again today. And that should be expanding with time, which means temperatures should ease up just a little bit. But still, we think the core of the really intense heat will stay west of the state. And quite frankly, they can keep it. Ah, yes, classic look for a summer afternoon. That's the radar from Birmingham at 2:32. Popcorn showers. Pretty decent one there along Interstate 65, just north of Jemison down in Chilton County. Pretty good looking one down in Shelby County. That is not too far from Wilsonville and Columbiana. One north of Alexander City, and yes, other ones scattered near Montgomery and down south. And those have impacted temperatures in spots. Montgomery, the good example there. Look at that, 73 at 2 o'clock. You don't see that often on a summer afternoon, but of course that's rain producing that number. Up here, 91 for Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, and even to the east, it's really not that hot. We've got 84 for Gadsden, 85 in Anniston. And that's okay. Convective outlooks, obviously, we're not involved for a while. A slight risk today, really all the way from Tulsa to International Falls and Duluth, and also a slight risk up northeast Colorado, southeast Wyoming. Day 2, pretty much the same area. And day 3, Saturday, slight risk for Cincinnati and Columbus and Pittsburgh, Buffalo, places like that. There's a look at the rain expected across the country for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, you can see a little bit here, and we'll just have to depend on these scattered afternoon showers for any rain we see. More than likely, the better opportunities will be east of Interstate 65, although there's no doubt there could be a shower or two over West Alabama along the way. And again, things are quiet in the tropics. So let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Friday. Heat bubble a little west of here, but don't worry, we'll be in the low 90s. It'll be a pretty toasty day. Not much showing up on the surface chart. And really, these just aren't that helpful this time of the year. The little showers that pop up obviously would be underneath the resolution of this. So tomorrow should be a lot like today, and really for the next 5 to 6 days, it'll be like this. Here's a look at Saturday. The ridge expands a little bit. Sunday kind of stays in the same place. Monday shrinks a bit. We'll peek the surface chart Monday. Again, that's suggesting a pretty decent band of showers and storms just northeast of here. But again, I just don't think the weather changes through Sunday and Monday. Partly sunny days and low 90s, and some risk of a little pop-up shower or storm in the afternoon. Tuesday, we'll watch that heat ridge again. Wednesday, and boom, here it comes again, expanding. Looks pretty hot, doesn't it? That should be mid-90s if that's right. Thursday, again, the 594 ring kind of extending into Alabama. So you get the idea. We're just kind of stuck in this old, typical, hot, muggy summer pattern for the next 5 to 7 days, with some risk each day of a shower, but they should be pretty widely spaced. July 25th, end of the forecast. Heights coming down just a little bit. Broad trough over the northeast, and some kind of surface low shows up there near Chesapeake Bay. The tropical system we saw this morning in the Gulf is off the board, but you know that. It's just going to come and go. And again, that suggests very typical late July weather for Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.